Don't just jump, fly. This is the story of the world-famous Hmong American Olympic champion jump rope team of 1984, born from the heartache of war and the resilience of a dream. These young refugee girls, Kia Vang, Zoua Pa Thao, and Lee You Vue, turned discarded rubber bands into their first training ropes, crafting not just toys, but their future. When their families were granted refuge in America, these girls didn't just seek safety, they sought greatness. In the housing projects of St. Paul, Minnesota, they trained every day. Jump by jump, they transformed from refugee girls into athletes. And in 1984, the world watched as they took home gold at the Los Angeles Summer Olympics. But it wasn't just about medals. They became pioneers, partnering with the American Heart Association to launch the Jump Rope for Heart program, encouraging children across America to get active. Even Nike saw their star power, leading to a groundbreaking endorsement deal. From playing with makeshift ropes in refugee camps to inspiring a nation, these young women didn't just break barriers, they redefined them. Their creativity, hard work, and resilience brought the world to their feet. Their legacy lives on today, fueling the dreams of athletes like Sanay Lee, proving that Hmong girls can, and will, reach for the stars. They remind us all, no obstacle is too great when you jump with your heart. Don't just jump, you must fly. Read more about the incredible story of the Hmong American Olympic champion jump rope team of 1984 and their inspiring journey. Brought to you by the Hmong Multiverse, a dynamic online museum dedicated to exploring the rich and diverse experiences of the Hmong people across universes, dimensions, and time.